Powerful tip number 1, be a fun person. Bring the excitement back into the relationship. Be fun, don't be annoying. When you were dating, you probably had lots of fun together. You went to the movies, you went to the park, maybe you went to the beach, you went to the mall for walks. You did wonderful things together, just as I said, to be together. Probably you laughed a lot. So, do some of those same things again. Because when you do fun activities and you have a good time together, you show your spouse that you're still a fun person to be around. So plan some fun activities with your spouse. Invite your spouse to have those times with you and laugh together. Tip number 2, listen to your spouse with a genuine interest. And guys, the point here is don't try to fix the problem or give a solution. You need to show your spouse, show your wife that you care about her feelings. So when you listen to her, you empathize with her. And you may say things like, I'm hearing that you are feeling disappointed. I can see that you are feeling hurt. When you empathize with your wife, she will connect with you again. Ladies, your husband wants to be respected. And yes, they want you to care about things that are important to them. So your husband wants you to listen to him as well. If he's telling you about a game, if he's telling you about a movie, and you don't care about the movie, you don't care about the game, hey, you care about your husband. So listen to him, because when you listen to each other with genuine interest, you are telling your spouse, I'm interested in you. Power tip number 3, surprise your spouse. Yes, become a student of your spouse, and then you find out what he likes, what she likes, and you probably already know that. So there are simple things in life that you can do to surprise your spouse. Hey guys, yes, see here, flowers. Women like flowers. Probably your wife loves flowers. So if she does, surprise her with beautiful flowers. If she loves chocolate, hey, buy her a box of chocolate and surprise her. What about breakfast in bed? Oh, you can prepare breakfast for her, and when she wakes up, here you are with breakfast in bed. What a surprise. Ladies, you know probably your husband's snack or favorite dessert. You know. So how about when he's watching the game, you come in with his favorite snack, favorite dessert, and surprise him. He's gonna go, wow. Yes, when you surprise your spouse, you communicate, I was thinking about you. Power tip number 4, it has to do with your inner self, with your personality. So be kind, be patient. Life is stressful, life is hectic, and a lot of couples get into this fast-paced life and they get so busy and they fall into the trap of even becoming a negative person. And yes, you may have become even grumpy, and that's not fun for your spouse. What's the solution? Well, treat your spouse with kindness. And in my other videos, I've talked about the agape love that is patient, that is kind. That is a love that comes from God. And when you experience that love, you give it to your spouse so you can be patient and loving and kind. When you are patient and kind, you attract your spouse like a magnet. Power tip number 5, look amazing to your spouse. Take care of your appearance. We talked about the inner self. Now I'm talking about the appearance. And I'll be careful here. I don't want to reduce marriage happiness to physical appearance. But you know, you and your spouse were attracted to each other. You found her beautiful, amazing. She found you handsome. And that was part of your attraction to each other. So what happens is lots of couples get busy with life and they neglect taking care of their bodies. So get your body in a healthy weight. Maybe your doctors talked to you about that if that's a challenge for you. But what I'm saying here is look your best for your spouse. Dress like you're going on a date with your spouse. Look desirable to your spouse. Look beautiful, look handsome, look sharp. Get some perfume, some cologne. Do your best just like you did when you were going on a date. And get ready to hear, "Wow, honey, you look amazing. You look gorgeous." If you liked this video, hey, click the like button. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.